Do you struggle to find cube roots fast? Today, I'll teach you a simple logic trick to find the cube root of any perfect cube in just seconds. First, look at the last digit of the number. Every cube ends with a specific last digit. So, this digit tells us the unit place of the cube root. Now, remove the last three digits of the number. Whatever number is left, find the largest cube smaller than it. For example, for 17576, remove last three digits, 17. The biggest cube smaller than 17 is 8, which is 2 to the power, so the tens place of the answer is 2. Now combine the tens digit from step 2 and the units digit from step 1. For 17576, tens digit equals 2, unit digit equals 6, so the cube root is 26. And that's it. You can now find cube roots faster than a calculator. Try a number in the comments. I'll solve it for you.